Welcome everybody, and thank you so much. We are going to give you a little sneak peek to our residence. I know a lot of people have asked to see where we live, to see how we are living. Well, we're going to give you a little sneak peek. We're going to hold off showing you the inside of the apartment because again, we are waiting for 1,000 subscribers. So thank you to everyone who has subscribed and who's hit new notifications. Continue to do that. We appreciate you so much. But let's start by showing you the street that our place is at, and we will enter right here. When you enter, we immediately have a concierge. We have 24-hour security guard, gated security, which, as Eric often has said, you do get what you pay for. So this path leads you down to the parking and also to the guard shack, because like I said, there's always somebody there monitoring the monitors and guarding the gate 24 hours, armed security. Okay, so now we've shown you both sides. We're going to head on into the actual building and show you what you first come up on, which is our concierge. The next video we'll be doing after this is just the entryway to either wait or to be let in. But our next video will show a little bit more of the building, some of the other amenities that we have in this building. And like I said, the more viewers, the more you guys get to see. So please hit subscribe, continue to support the channel. We thank you guys so much for watching. And remember, life is to be enjoyed.